Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for the headphone Sony Link Buds. Basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to use a control panel, and right here you can check a battery level. The second one is to go to settings, connected devices right here, and you can also check it here. And the last one is to use an application, so just open it. And right here we can check left one and right one battery level for the headphones, and if you click show, OK, you can check a battery level of charging case. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.